50 divided by 1 by 2 times 2. Many fail to solve this simple mathematics, but if you try, you can solve. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer, whatever it will be, right or wrong. I will give you a shortcut here. These are top commenters. So we will use here the PEMDAS. Okay. So here there are many ways to solve, but many solve like this: 2 times 1, 2 times 1, and 50 divided by 1, and they will get answer 50. So do you think 50 is the right answer? What do you say? No, this is not the right answer. So what will be the right way? I will show you here. According to PEMDAS, parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division and subtraction, as we can see, division and multiplication operations are there. We will rewrite our here question again. 50 divided by 1 by 2. There are two operations, division and multiplication. And in that case, have the same priority. We have to operate from left to right. So we will operate here left to right. So first we will operate this 50 divided by 1 by 2. We will operate this part. Again now, after that we will operate this multiplication. To solve this, we will use here the KCF, keep change flip. So first we will keep 50 as it is. This division will be changed to multiplication and flip 1 by 2 as 2 by 1 times 2. Now we can simply write 50 divided into 2 times 2. 50 times 2, that is equal to 100 times 2, which equals to 200. Okay, so here right answer is 200. And if you're seniors, then must check out our best product link for you. And like this video and subscribe channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.